Here. Okay, sige ako lang yung magtatanong.
Go.
Tanong niya is for Julia, agree ka ba with how Anna handled the guilt and sadness na dinadala niya from her past?
Hindi ko masasabing agree po, pero I totally understand kung paano niya rin pinrocess. Kasi nga, siguro tayo sa Pilipinas, sanay tayo na hindi masyadong ma-express. May mga families na hindi ma-express. With Anna kasi, hindi niya rin alam kung paano i-express yung feelings niya. Parang laging may fear of acceptance or matatanggap ba, hindi ba to mare-reject? Tama po yung rejection na kapag sinabi ko to, tama ba? Am I enough? Ang dami mong questions eh. So parang yung naging reaction niya na lumayo na lang, parang yun yung tingin niya kasing better decision para wag rin siyang makasakit ng iba. Kasi parang siya yung nasasaktan. So parang kesa makasakit ako sa sasabihin ko, lalayo na lang. That's why sinabi ko yun. Kasi feeling ko, ganun yung personality ko rin in real life. Parang ang tingin ko po, kesa makasabi ako ng ire-regret ko. Kasi parang feeling ko, masakit ang salita kapag nasabi mo na ang hirap bawiin nun. More than the physical. Pero hindi ko sinasabing okay din ang physical. So parang ganun siya. Kaya yun yung ano.
Thanks, Julia. Ang next question is for Mega. What do you appreciate about Miranda when it comes to fashion sense and how she handles herself under pressure?
The fashion of Miranda, actually kaming lahat, nasa production design, sa wardrobe design. So, parang yung kanya is feminine pero authoritative. Oo. So,
Lady boss.
lady boss. Oo. So, okay, bagay sa character. Ako
And yung
kasi
handling, pressure.
bully ako eh. Kasi yung character, yung pag-handle niya,
Yeah.
sanay na siya dahil yun ang trabaho niya eh. Pero yung sarili nga niya, kaya in the end, sumabog na rin.
Okay, we have a question here from Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you here?
I'm just before si Jay, may social media lang. This is for
Go
Sam. Sam, this teleserye coincides with your 20th year anniversary
Yes.
showbiz! 2025?
Oh my gosh.
How does it feel
Ang bilis
being
na
the
panahon.
reliable
Sinasabi ko si
leading
Julia
man that you
Montes.
are?
Sinasabi ko si
Imagine.
Julia Montes. Go ahead, Julia.
Opo, 9 years old pa lang po ako artist.
Oh my gosh! Wait, Boy Julia,
Diba?
25 years ka na. Kalaon naka-chance star ka.
Kaya kinukwento ko po sa
Malata
kanya
ng
kasi
age ko eh.
dito sa ABS, dito kami lagi sa Studio
True,
4 eh.
tuwing Sabado.
Tapos peak na peak ng PBB, lalabas sila dyan.
Ay, correct.
So may mga co-actors ako na nawawala, lumalabas dito sa PBB house. Nag-aabang sa paglabas
Sa kabaliwan ng kay Sam.
Kasi
Ginobi.
nga yun yung yung nagtitaping pa kami dito ng Goyang Bulilit. Yung peak na
Everyone
peak.
was nabaliw kay Sam.
Yes.
Pati si Miss J, di ba? Parang the whole family yata. Tirso, Lynn, di ba? Lahat tayo were, hindi ba ikaw? Sorry na quote na. Dinagdag dito sa mga... Oo. Hindi, ang daming celebrities talaga ga-hook dito kay Sam Melby during his time sa PBB. Go ahead, Sam. 20 years!
Yeah, it's hard to believe actually. It's been 20 years. First season in PBB. Very first season, not even teens, it was the very, very first season of PBB. It was 2005. At lumabas ako ng bahay ni Kuya was November 5 of 2005. So,
this year.
bilis ng panahon.
Oh.
Actually, mahirap makapaniwala na it's been 20 years. And then this year's been 20 years. But I'm so happy that my 20th year anniversary, I guess, this year, I'm doing such a beautiful project. And lalabas para sa mga Pilipino on TV.
And you have
Because I'm so
remained,
proud of this project. It's
ikaw
such
pa
a
rin
beautiful
yung-
project talaga.
You have remained the most reliable leading man that we have in ABS.
Thank you. Reliable and
Lagi yan,
Good.
every time magkakasnay, laging andyan yung Samuel.
Saka bait po eh.
Thank you.
Masarap
Thank you.
kasama.
Genuine.
kayo din po.
Alright. Thank you. MJ, go ahead before may bibigay yata si Aaron Domingo.
Oh, yeah, go ahead, Aaron. Sa floor.
Yeah, we have a question from the feisty
Ay,
Alex.
Hi, si
Tapos?
Alex! Hi, Alex!
Alex Rosas is here.
Hello. To Sharon, to Janice and Elise. What is motherhood not all about?
It's not about possession. It's about mutual respect between you and your kids. It's about a very difficult balance between being a friend and an authority figure. So what it isn't is, yeah, it's not possession, it's not purely authority over them. It's not expecting them to be like you when they grow up. It's not imposing on them what you think they should do or be. Yeah, it's not about insisting that they do what you want kasi hindi mo hawak ang utak at puso nila.
Janice, you have an answer?
Yes, motherhood is not about a puppet show. It's like gaya na sinabi ni Mega. Your parents are supposed to guide them as they grow up. Pero hindi mo sila pwedeng i-control. Because at some point, you'll need to set them free and just hope and pray that you did a good job.
From a POV of a young mom, Elise.
Grabe. Siyempre, dami ko ding natutunan sa mga sinabi lang nila ngayon.
Elise, so may I ask, how old were you when you had Feliz?
25 po.
Eh, hindi ka na masyadong young.
Hindi naman, pero in
Oo.
our generation
Yeah,
now.
for you, yeah, that's
Yes.
right. Kasi ako 19 eh.
Yeah.
At nung panahon namin, parang
Mas
okay na rin yung
bad.
19. Pero di ba, ang hirap. So at 25, this generation parang gusto nyo mag-asawa mga 30-something.
Yes, I know this. For me, I think add ko lang din po na I learned that motherhood is not all about you or the mother. Motherhood is not being selfish. It's not about your dreams and your goals. It's really about the human being you are guiding to grow up. Yeah.
MJ, may dadagdag lang akong tanong. I wanna ask Mega and Miss J. Alex, pwede. Sundutin ko lang about your question din naman to, Alex. Miss J, when do you know na if it's time na anuhin na natin sila, parang anak mo yan, they need to they need to live a life of their own.
It's a slow burn eh. Kasi di ba yung mga bata, habang wala pa sila sa school, ikaw pa talaga yung mundo niyan eh. Siyempre, when they go to school, nakaka-friends na sila. Habang lumalaki sila, nag-iiba yung friends, dumadami, nagkakaroon na sila ng iba-ibang influence. Kumbaga sa yung nakikita nilang mundo, hindi lang yung lagi nakikita nila pag nasa bahay sila. So it's a slow burn. Then after a while, I don't know, you just know when it's time to let them go. Like, if I'm a hovering parent, kung pwedeng lagi silang nandiyan sa akin. Pero pagka sinabi na lang they need to go,
Ganun kadali.
ka pa ba? Hindi siya madali, but you know it's time. So remember, last year lang ako naging almost empty nester because last year, Kyla and Moira decided to move out. Diba? Eh, anong gagawin ko? 20. Magta-30 na si Kyla. Awatin ko pa ba siya? Sabi ko lang sa kanya is, be good. Be good, diba? Matuto na kayo maglinis ng bahay. Yan lang yung mga bilin ko. Malalaki na sila, kaya na nila yan.
Iba ka din naman. Nay Mega, please share!
Ako hindi sa biological age, nasa mental and emotional
You would know.
age. Kasama ikaw nagpalaki. So makikita mo yung kung kaya na ba o hindi. Like Miel, maybe 20, pero no, she's not ready. Baby pa namin yan. When Casey left home, she was kaka-18 lang niya. Parang naiintindihan ko naman kasi, di ba, kahit sa Amerika, 18, feeling ko nasa Pilipinas tayo, di ba pwedeng hanggang mga 88 na siya, nandito lang siya sa akin. Di ba, kahit mag-asawa, kung pwede dito na lang, gagawa ko sila ng apartment, gano'n. So, parang when that happened, pinakita pa niya sa amin yung condo na gusto niyang bilhin. Ako naman, sige, she has to start. Parang she has to start somewhere. So, when she graduated from college, sinabi ko na, when we get home, I'm handing over to you buong buo, lahat ng kinita mo, walang bawas kahit piso. So sabi niya, no, ma'am ko, no, you have to learn. So, parang ganon. So, she bought her condo, tapos maya-maya, pag natatanong siya sa akin ng kung okay na investment to, okay. Pag hindi, I'm just hoping na yung mga ini-investa niya tama. Pero at that time, she already spent 4 years kasi abroad in college. So, natuto na siyang maging independent. Maglinis ng bahay, magluto. So, medyo meron na siyang, na-equip na siya na ng konti. So, napakasakit, pero hindi mo pwedeng pigilan eh. Pwede lang makiusap na baka naman pwedeng wag muna. Like, nung after Casey nga na maagang bumukod, ito naman si Frankie Miel talaga lagi ko sinasabi, wag muna ha, yung kung mag-aasawa kayo, pwede kausapin namin. Dito na lang kayo. Hindi kami nangingialam. Yung parang gano'n kung pwede lang kasama. Parang si Janice, gusto mo, nandyan lang.
Okay,
Next.
Alex.
Sorry, Mare.
Follow-up question. What, to the mothers, the same